Good morning from Grand Valley Farm. It's October 2nd, 2025, around 9 a.m. And it's about 47 degrees. And I'm down here to feed the animals. Harold's already been fed. Feels a little chilly down here. Right from the dampness. It rained most of yesterday here. I really didn't get too much done outside. Except for go to the barn and feed these 7-Eleven chickens. They almost beat me down here. Come on, chickens. Yeah, now they're happy. Well, everyone's fed now. Stopping off the waters, and then that'll be it down here. Go back in the house and get another cup of coffee. I'm cold. The sun's starting